The Grand Cherokee has an update, so you can see here there's some new things about it, some new styling cues in the front and rear, new grille, refreshed headlights, updated rear styling, lower fascia tweaks. It's got updated screens, bigger screen, bigger infotainment system is standard. It keeps the plug-in hybrid, the 4xe, which has been pretty popular. That output is 375 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque, but they're replacing the 3.6-liter Pentastar as the base engine with a 4-cylinder Hurricane, not the 6-cylinder Hurricane.
Yeah, same combustion architecture, same cylinder architecture. So almost always when they're designing a family of engines, they're designing an intake plenum with a combustion chamber design, because they want to have maximum turbulence to mix the air and fuel properly over the valves, and then whether they're doing port or direct injection and all that. So they have to design the cylinder. And then once they've got that down and it can pass the emissions it needs to pass, then they just copy paste for as many cylinders as they need. So the Hurricane 6 and the Hurricane 4, of course, they won't have parts that will swap between, but they will be largely structured the same, largely similar in internal architecture and all that, which is why they share a name, even though they're completely different cylinder counts.
Yeah. Yep. 324 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque.
Which is a 20 horsepower bump from the 3.6. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep, exactly. So very capable. It's a revised version of the GME power plant. It's the engine family used in Alfa Romeo products. So there's some sharing of development there.
And they're known for reliability, so that's good.
Yeah. This new engine supposedly is going to become the new corporate standard, but like 3.6 was. Apparently, this 4-cylinder Hurricane engine with 330 horsepower is going to become the new standard engine.
Yeah, that means that if they go to some entry-level car, it's going to be not expensive to throw in a 330 horsepower engine that's a 4-cylinder into a entry-level vehicle.
Yeah.
Right? If they have the economies of scale because they're putting it in everything.
New Dart?
Yeah, a new...
new Dart?
They're up 600%, Mason. Why would they need to refresh it?
Yeah. So that's more of the news here, is that new engine is replacing the Pentastar.